Sitting on 64 acres with a large pond, this property is a hunter and fisherman's paradise. The spacious ranch home has massive rooms with tons of living space. The kitchen has beautiful oak cabinets, an island, and an eat-in dining area with gorgeous views of the backyard and woods. The master suite is huge and boasts an ensuite bath, large walk-in closet, and deck access. The additional 2 bedrooms are great size as well. The mudroom off of the garage has a separate laundry room and stairs to the basement. The daylight unfinished basement has so much opportunity and potential for you to utilize however you like, and it's plumbed for a full bathroom. Do you love to entertain outside? The large deck will be perfect for hosting backyard parties and barbecues all summer long. If you have a lot of big toys, the pole barn has you covered for all of your storage needs. There's so much beauty and wildlife to be seen, overlooking the pond and 14 acres of woods. Come and see it today by giving Chelsea Keel a call before it's gone.